Here is how to achieve a perfectly smooth and strong natural nail overlay using our HyBa Gel nail system. First, start with a clean nail surface and proper prepping. Rough the free edge of the nail, remove any debris from the nail. Next, apply nail tip extensions. Choose the perfect fit and make sure to cover the sidewalls. Next, brush on nail glue and secure it onto the tip of the nail. Apply additional nail glue if necessary. Then trim to the desired length and shape, using a 100 to 120 grit nail file to shape the free edge. Here we will create an almond-shaped nail. Lightly buff the surface to remove shine and create a perfect base. Remove any debris from the nail bed. Apply HyGEL VDB base coat for extra adhesion, then cure for 5 seconds under the LED light. Here we will be using PF01 Natural Overlay Clear to build the foundation. Remove the protective seal from the pre-formulated HyGEL solution. HyBa Gel brush is specially designed to use with our HyBa Gel nail system. Prepare 70% alcohol solution into a small jar. Squeeze a small amount and slice the HyGel off with the spatula end of the brush. Take a small bead of HyGel and place it at the center of the nail towards the cuticle line. Use a brush dipped in 70% alcohol to gently pat and smooth it over the nail. Carefully pat and sculpt the cuticle area and perfect the shape. Keep the HyGel thin and natural looking. Moisten your brush with alcohol for a smoother application. Pat and smooth the HyGel over the entire nail, and when the shape and thickness has been achieved, cure the nail in the LED for 60 seconds. After curing, wipe off the tacky inhibition layer with alcohol and a lint-free wipe. Shape and refine with a 100 to 120 grit nail file. You may also want to use a cuticle bit to define around the cuticle area to prevent lifting. Use a fine buffer to smooth the entire nail. Brush and clean off the nails with alcohol solution. First option, apply high shine top gel and cure for 30 seconds to seal the natural overlay clear nails. Second option, apply gel polish of your choice, cure and then apply high shine top to seal and protect the nails. With proper care and regular maintenance, HyGEL can last up to 3 to 4 weeks at a time. Regular refills is recommended to maintain the health and beauty of your nails.